In this video, I'll be showing you top 2 candlestick patterns for smart entry. When you want to take a trade, you must actually take advantage of the candlestick pattern you see on your chart to know when the market is about to move upward or come back to the downside. That is what I'll be sharing with you in today's video. So watch this video to the very end. If this is your first time here, my name is Paradise. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video. Subscribe to the channel so that you receive updates like this, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification to get notified. Also check the channel for other crypto videos and technical analysis. Top 2 candlestick patterns for smart entry. Candlestick pattern number 1, bullish and bearish closing price reversal candle. What does this mean? If you go to the BTC USDT chart, the 1-day chart at this very area on Binance, if you look at this very level of support, market move all the way from here, come into this point, and then market move from this very area upward to this very point where the price is now of 47.1k. If you look at this level of support, we see a bullish closing price reversal candlestick pattern. So if I zoom this out, you can identify this candle by simply taking into consideration 2 candles. The first one must be a bearish candle and the second one must be a bullish candle. The bearish candle must have a lower low compared to the bullish candle, and the bullish candle must have a higher close compared to the previous bearish candle. In this very case, we have the market come back down here to this very area. This very bullish candle moved to the upside to this very area and close here, okay, which is higher than this very bearish candle, as you can see at this point. So this now form a bullish closing price reversal candle because the price of this very bullish candle closed higher compared to this very bearish candle right at this area. So these 2 candlestick pattern is called a bullish closing price reversal candlestick pattern. This is very important. This is how you identify this very candlestick pattern. So after the formation of this candlestick pattern, what happened is that the market begin to move to the upside from this very support level. And bullish closing price reversal candlestick pattern occur at support level, and it's a very important candlestick pattern you can use for smart entry. So after this formation, market moves straight to the upside, which is very, very important. Another example right here is this very pattern right here. So we have a bullish reversal candle at this very point. So this very candle close higher compared to this very bearish candle, and this bearish candle have a lower low compared to this very bullish candle. So this 2 candle right here is a bullish closing price reversal candle. Now after this very breakout of resistance, market move to the upside. This is very, very important. It can make you enter a smart trade, okay, because immediately after the candle formation, market begin to move straight to the upside, as you can see on the chart right at this very point. This is a candlestick pattern that you should not miss on your trade. And the next one here is the bearish closing price reversal candlestick pattern. So the bearish closing price reversal candlestick pattern is an inverse, okay, of the bullish candlestick reversal pattern, which is very, very important. Let me show you that on the chart. If you look at this very area, you see the market was at this very level of resistance, and we see this very candle formation. These 2 candlestick right here is a bearish closing price reversal candlestick pattern. The reason is because we have the bullish candle form a high compared to the bearish candle, and the bearish candle form a new close compared to the bullish candle at this very point and this very area. This is very important. Now this give this candle a bearish closing price pattern, and from here the market begin to move straight to the downside. And if you take advantage of this very candlestick pattern and enter a trade from here after the formation of this very pattern to the downside, you will be in massive profit. So market come back all the way down into this very point. This very candle is a bullish closing price reversal candlestick pattern right here. So this candlestick pattern is very important. So take note of this. It will change the way you enter your trade in the market. Another example here is this very candlestick pattern right here. This is a bearish closing price reversal candlestick pattern. If you look at this very bullish candle and this bearish candle, discover that this bullish candle right here have a high at this very point than this, but this very candle close lower compared to this very candle at this very point. So these two candlestick is called bearish closing price reversal candlestick pattern. What happened after this formation? Market begin to move back to the downside. From this very area after the formation, market come back to the downside. This is a powerful candlestick pattern. So if you enter this trade after the formation of this very bearish candle, you see that the market move down from this area to the downside. And of course, your stop loss will always be above this very resistance. And in the case of a support, you have to be below the support for a bullish closing price reversal candlestick pattern. Now, the next candlestick pattern that you have to pay attention to, which is also a common kind or type of candlestick pattern that you can see on your chart, is the bullish and bearish engulfing pattern. What is an engulfing pattern? Let me show you that on the chart. If you look at this very candlestick pattern, we have an engulfing pattern bullish. So this is a bullish engulfing pattern. Why? Because this candle completely engulfs the previous bearish candle. So if you draw this line from this very point to this very area, and you draw this from here to this very area, you discover that this very candle engulfs everything about this very bearish candle. So these two candlesticks right here form the bullish engulfing pattern. Then after the formation, what happened here is that the market begin to move to the upside. So from this very area, market move upward, and from here you can take a buy trade or a long position to the upside, which is very important. Another example of a bullish engulfing pattern is this very area. If you look at it, this very bullish candle completely engulf everything about this bearish candle. Look at it here. You see the market move all the way here. So this candle form up to this point and form up to this very area. So this very bullish candle engulfs everything about this bearish candle. So this is a bullish engulfing pattern. What happened after this formation? Market begin to move to the upside. So from here, market move upward. This is very important. So you can take a trade after the formation of this pattern to the upside from support level. Okay, so you must trade the bullish engulfing pattern from support in an uptrend for market to move to the upside. So after this formation, you could have placed a buy trade or a long position to the upside for market to move upward. The next one here is the bearish engulfing pattern, which happened to be at resistance. If you look at this very candlestick pattern right here, we have a bearish engulfing pattern. Why? This very bullish candle is completely engulfed by this bearish candle. You look at it here, this candle from up to this point, so from here to this very area, and then from here to this very point. So this very bearish candle engulfs everything about this very bullish candle. So this candlestick pattern, these two candlesticks, is called the bearish engulfing pattern, because the bearish candle completely engulfs everything about the bullish candle. So market move to the downside, and this candlestick pattern always appear at resistance. When you see them at resistance, it means that the market is going to move downward. So this is very powerful. So you can enter a short opportunity on futures to the downside. And the last one here that you have to pay attention to is this very bearish engulfing pattern at this very point. You see, this candle form from here to this very point. But this very bearish candle engulfs everything about this candle. So from here, this candle engulfs everything about this very previous bullish candle. So this is a bearish engulfing pattern. Then after this formation, market begin to move back to the downside. This is very, very powerful. So both the engulfing pattern and the closing price reversal candlestick pattern, they are the two most important candlestick pattern that you need to pay attention to on your chart and trade in line with it. So for the bullish closing price reversal candlestick pattern, you find them at support in an uptrend for the market to move to the upside. And for bearish closing price reversal candlestick pattern, you find them at resistance in a downtrend for market to move to the downside. And for the bullish engulfing pattern, always appear at support in an uptrend for the market to move to the upside. And for bearish engulfing pattern, occur at resistance in a downtrend for market to move back to the downside. This is very, very important. These two candlestick patterns will give you a smart entry in the market, just like we have seen on the chart. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that you receive updates like this whenever I upload a new video. Also check the channel for other crypto videos and educational content. If you want to learn how to trade crypto professionally and trade like a pro, enroll for my crypto bootcamp. Check the description of this video to see a contact and reach out to me for the crypto bootcamp right now. If you've not registered on Binance, OKX, and Bybit, check the link in the description and do your registration right away. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.